Welcome everyone to our in-depth look at the all-new 2025 Citroen DS-21 Coupe. This stunning vehicle represents the latest chapter in Citroen's renowned DS line, blending timeless elegance with cutting-edge technology and performance. As we approach the car, the first thing that captivates the eye is the striking exterior design. The DS-21 Coupe pays homage to the iconic Citroen DS from the 1950s, with its sleek, aerodynamic silhouette and distinctive chevron-shaped grille. The sculpted bodywork is a masterclass in form-following function, with sharp creases and fluid lines that give the car an almost ethereal presence on the road. Stepping inside, the attention to detail is immediately apparent. The cabin is a harmonious blend of premium materials, including soft-touch leather, polished aluminum, and an array of advanced digital displays. The driver-centric cockpit is designed to put all the necessary controls within easy reach, ensuring a seamless and engaging driving experience. One of the standout features of the DS-21 Coupe is its advanced powertrain. Under the hood lies a state-of-the-art hybrid system, combining a powerful 2.0-liter turbocharged engine with an electric motor for a combined output of over 350 horsepower. This impressive power is delivered to the rear wheels through a smooth, shifting 8-speed automatic transmission, providing effortless acceleration and exceptional responsiveness. But the DS-21 Coupe isn't just about raw power, it also excels in the handling department. The vehicle's lightweight, yet rigid chassis is complemented by an advanced suspension system that delivers a perfect balance of comfort and cornering prowess. Drivers will appreciate the precise steering feel and the nimble, agile handling that inspires confidence on winding roads. The DS-21 Coupe is a true tour de force. The large, high-resolution Infotainment display provides access to a wealth of features, including navigation, connectivity, and a premium audio system. The car also boasts an array of advanced driver assistance systems, such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and autonomous emergency braking, ensuring a safer and more enjoyable driving experience. Of course, no discussion of the DS-21 Coupe would be complete without mentioning its commitment to sustainability. Citroen has made significant strides in reducing the environmental impact of its vehicles, and the DS-21 Coupe is no exception. The hybrid powertrain not only delivers impressive performance but also boasts impressive fuel efficiency and low emissions, making it a more eco-friendly choice for discerning buyers. As we wrap up our tour of the 2025 Citroen DS-21 Coupe, it's clear that this vehicle represents a new benchmark in the world of luxury.